Aying asagi ahong balakpana mahusagi fibam amadi cultural identity da pirakliba safu singdagi ngakthok nabagi pandamda numit nini chathagadaba National Conference ama Manipur University da Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana hodokrai. Conference asi University asigi Department of Life Sciences amasung International Council of Bio Deterioration of Cultural Property na senduna implications of climate change and conservation of natural resources and cultural heritage 2025 haibahiramda Manipur University gi auditorium da hodokebani. Thauramada Governor na climate change na miyoiba kunaida pirakliba chaitheng thengnaba haiba si global challenge amani. Maram asina ngalingay matamdagi khudong chadabasing asidagi ngakthoknaba hodna hauba haiba sina khwaidagi fai. Loina na missing hankatlakpa amadi natural resource na limited oirakpana pirakpa chaitheng asi mipum khudingmakna khangminaduna government mari lainaba NGO sing amadi mipum khudingmakna isa-isagi laufam thokpa thodang laumina si haina appeal tawki. Thauramadu the conference asigi academic partner oiriba Institute of Ecology, International Journal of Ecology and Environmental Science, Loktak Development Authority, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change official amadi MU Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendrana Marilainaba faculty sing, official sing, research scholar sing amadi mahiroi kayana saruk yaki. Thauramadu the conference aduga Marilainaba journal su release tawki. Conference asi haudokringai mangoinana Governor na Manipur University ki Botany Department dasu changduna yangshinki.
So this challenge of climate change, it threatens both our natural environment and our cultural identities. So it's imperative that we all engage in meaningful dialogue and collaborative action to address the challenges. And I think this conference is a very good step. Conference provides a timely platform for academicians, policymakers, environmentalists and cultural heritage experts to come together, deliberate and propose actionable change strategies and what critical issues we need to address. I commend the organizers for their vision in hosting this conference and for fostering dialogue on such urgent matter.